Welcome back, guys. B is for Boost, and today we are going to do a little bit of a garage update. So we did sell 2 PT Cruisers and we did buy a Lincoln Town Car. Now we are probably, 10 or 15 videos behind from what we're actually doing to what you guys actually see. So it takes a lot to keep the content up, and we're trying to get enough content for the winter months to keep you guys interested, which hopefully you guys are. So we're doing plenty of stuff along the way. So this video is actually going to give you a couple sneak peeks to a lot of things, because there's probably 10 videos ahead of this one. So this one's going to drop. It's going to show you that, hey, we got a black motor right here behind me. And if you notice, we do have the Roadster behind us as well, which we haven't even started working on yet in videos. We have, you know, some things up on, we got whiteboards now with things listed. I did some painting here yesterday, so everything's pretty well papered up. There's a huge update on the Civic truck. So you guys are gonna get a sneak peek on this right now, because this has not been posted yet, but you'll see that the Civic truck is all in primer. We do have another whiteboard up there. So we do have some stuff on the go. The garage is a disaster. We're trying to get it cleaned up. Let's go out here for a second. So as you see, it is raining outside. We do have the NYG outside. A little hint with the NYG. If you were following the videos, which a lot of you guys are a Dodge fan, we were gonna leave this period correct. I said were now. There's a reason why I'm not leaving it period correct anymore. If you guys have been following the other build, let's see if I can see it, which is way down there, which is the turboed automatic neon, which is not auto anymore as well, so links up in the description. It was an AGP 50 trim dual ball bearing turbo. He did a lot of upgrades. He went with a bigger intercooler, AGP race intercooler. He went with a new turbo, new injectors, return line. The list goes on and on and on. And we got the parts in exchange, which means we have a spare 50 trim turbo. We have a spare injectors. We have a whole bunch of spare parts that he doesn't need and I don't need, because they're all smaller than what I have on my SRT. So the plan is SRT swap. So we did get a free motor out of the PT Cruiser. Let's go over that here real quickly. So we did have 3 cars and we sold 3 cars. So Jeff's PT, which was the automatic 2001, we paid $200 for. We got $260, we made $60. Not really much of a profit. Now we jumped to the Turbo PT. We paid $400, we got $310, we lost $90. But wait, there's more. It's like an infomercial. So we got a free motor. So we got a 2.4 turbo for free. Jeff got a free motor for his Neon, which is a 2.4 NA, which is no big deal. But we also sold, let me see if I can make some room here. We sold the 5-speed swap stuff. Now, we sold it for $600 American, so 600 US. And it cost us $280 to ship. Let's do the exchange. Okay, so 600 US is about $810 Canadian, and it costs us $280 to ship. So we'll say $300 for easy math. That's $510. Add the $20 is $530 profit off of those parts. So that would be $530 plus the $90, which would be $620 profit. So that wasn't that bad. So we'll get rid of this. We'll get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. So let's see here. We made $60 off Jeff's car. So 60, that'd be $680 profit off of 2 PTs. So 680 profit. Now, we took that $680, we took $300 of it, and we bought ourselves the Lincoln. So, $300 Lincoln. If you guys aren't familiar with the $300 Lincoln, check out the link in the top right hand corner. We bought it and we sold it. Now, we didn't know what we were going to do with it. It was just something that a friend messaged us sometimes. We get good deals. We jumped on it, we bought it. We didn't care what it looked like. We didn't care about the outcome. We didn't care if the freaking thing ran. We were gonna do some burnouts. We would jump it, we'd make an off-road buggy, we'd drive it to the U-pole, make our money out of it no matter what. I figured I'd post it for sale. I posted it up for 1,800 bucks. I wanted to get about $1,700 out of it. And good news, we actually made a profit. So we sold it, we did one burnout in it. Did one burnout, one video, just a video of us buying it. That was it. I put it for sale, it sold the next day. So I sold it for $1,600, which gives us a profit of $1,300. Add the profit of the two other cars of $680. We made $1,980. Well, sorry, $1,980. So that is our profit. $1,980 out of 3 cars. Now, we have 3 cars now gone. So let's do a little bit of an update. We have some other cars that are here, and well, they're new that you guys haven't seen yet. So we're gonna give you guys kind of a sneak peek. And as you can see in the background, this is the list of the Civic truck for April for the car show, and it's a long, long list. So as you see, a couple things I'm excited for would be carbon fiber fenders. We're going to build up some carbon fiber fenders. We're building carbon fiber lip kit, carbon fiber door trim, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So we'll leave that for next episode. So we made $1,960. What did we do with it? Well, our Sierra turbo truck is still in limbo because we got other stuff to do. We did bring in the Roadster because it's getting to our winter months and we want to get that working. So we are going to start working on that. As you see, here's the Roadster. The engine bay has to be repainted. Some dirt came right out of it, so I got to scuff it up. It literally has a half a coat of clear on it, which it did look good for being shaved. Like, look at the shaved bay. Unfortunately, here's where it came out. It looks like there's someone just threw some water there. I don't know if you guys could even see that. Let's see here. Like, look at that. That is ridiculous. That's nasty. So yeah, we're gonna have to redo that. That's probably today's job later on. So we did buy another car that you guys haven't seen yet. It will be posted up. You can probably see the rear end here. Let's see, 2003 Dodge Neon SX 2.0. There's a reason we bought that car. I'll give you a little hint. I mentioned it on the Civic truck. We mentioned carbon fiber parts being custom built. Well, I want to make carbon fiber parts as well. And well, now we have a car to use for molds. So that's the reason we bought that. As you can see, guys, it's raining pretty hard. But let's see if I can do this real quickly. Let's see if we can do this as quick as possible, guys. We do have ourselves the blue SRT4 that you haven't seen yet, but I will give you a hint. It is our new drag car, so you're going to have to follow that build when it comes time. We're just trying to get the Civic truck and the Roadster out of the way before we start on this, but this will be the highest horsepower SRT in the Maritime. This is what we're shooting for. And then over here hiding, I do apologize about the rain, guys, is you're going to see our SRT4 built car, stock bottom end, built head, big turbo, S256 BC coils, Willwood brakes. We have the carbon fiber lip. We have tons of parts for this car that you guys have not even seen yet. Actually, I kind of feel bad. Oh, it's locked. That you haven't seen it yet. But this is our cheap build and some upcoming videos. We're going to go over how much we spent on this car. And I'm going to give you a hint. It really isn't that much. We've not had a good dyno run. Don't know why. The tune's not fully done as well. We've always had vacuum leaks. We've been chasing and chasing and chasing. But it did make 430 horsepower and 409 for torque. Low boost, S256. Stock bottom end with a set of Crowder 3/4s. And then we do have the SRT here. We did change the headlights. We did put an AGP big front mount on it. It's been swapped to a 5-speed as well, guys. So it's not an automatic anymore. It's not my car, but it's on the channel quite a bit. There's a lot of videos coming. We are dropping the coilovers. You'd never know it was on BC coils. They're coming down. We are doing an SRT interior in it, because it was originally an SX 2.0. we did get rid of the built auto with the LSD in favor of a T850 with ACT clutch setup. And we're doing some DCR parts, so head gasket, water pump, tensioners. We're doing a crank strap kit, and we are doing a balance shaft delete. Those are other videos that are coming to you guys. Okay, I do apologize, guys. It is raining like crazy outside. So you see we do have some projects. We have 2 of my own SRTs. We have the SRT swap. We have the NYG we're working on, which probably will not get done now until probably spring. That'll be like a spring, summer project. This year we're trying to get the Civic truck done. We need to get the neon Roadster done. We need to get the black SRT done. There's some new mods coming for that, some change up coming for that as well, because we're switching parts to the drag car. We need to get the beautiful Sierra Turbo LS done, which is the 6-liter for anyone that's new to the channel. That's going to be done for April. So we've got a busy months with Jeff helping out. And then we need to clean this garage. The biggest thing is this Civic's going to be pushed out, swept up. All this stuff needs to be picked up. So this can be back to a paint bay again, because it's nicer to paint in the paint bay. So we do have some things coming. We did order an intercooling piping for this. For anyone that's not familiar with this, let's check this out. You're going to have to excuse the dust, but the engine bay is done. It is shaved, and the turbo is sat in spot. We do have a VTEC head to put onto it, and then the intercooling piping, and then we should be just finish the wire tuck when we paint the jams and stuff, and it should be good to go. A couple cars you guys haven't seen on the channel all that often would be the 3 Camaros. So we do have the orange supercharged Camaro, we do have the 2011 SSRS convertible, and we do have the 91. Now, another video you guys haven't seen yet, but we did manage to pick up an LT LS motor, and we got it fairly cheap, and we have no idea what we're going to put it in yet. So we do have, let me see here, we do have up over there is the Al Camino, which is a 59 Al Camino, which is going to be in this bay come spring. That's spring's project. Al Camino is going to come in. We do have a 6-liter, an LS9 blower for it, TR6060. We have tons of parts for that car. I kind of thought maybe it'd be cool to put the LT in it, but then I started seeing that the LT wasn't meant for a manual. You have to buy adapters and things like that. So I'm thinking the LT should go into the 3rd gen Camaro. It's an auto. Be nice to kind of update it. Or maybe we'll put it in the truck if that blows up. Who knows? That's here nor there, guys. It's other videos. But that is kind of an update on our builds. 3 Camaros are in storage because, well, it's wintertime here now. We do have another new car that you haven't seen yet, and the SRT, so 2 new cars that you haven't seen yet. We've been working on the Civic, as you see. There's tons of stuff. If you want to keep up to date, Instagram is probably the way to go on a lot of this stuff, guys, because a lot of the stuff is more posted frequently on Instagram. I try to post daily on Instagram. It's kind of hard to do, but, well, it's not hard to do. I do post daily on Instagram, but it's hard to do updated videos, especially when we're doing 3 videos a week to you guys, but we're probably doing 4 to 5 videos a week that haven't been edited, and by the time I edit it, so you see what I'm saying, there's always going to be a backlog, and that's hopefully going to give us the good content for over the winter months. So kind of an update on this, update on the Civic Roadster, or the Neon Roadster, updated on the SRTs. You saw the new SRT and a couple other stuff, guys. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, turn on post notifications. If you like the fact that we're showing you guys how much we're making when we're buying and selling cars, leave a comment down below. So 3 cars have come and gone, and we made $1,980 profit. So that really wasn't that bad. Honestly, we didn't do anything to the first. We didn't do anything to any of them, other than the PTs were bought for parts for us, and that's how we got our free motor. So we have a free motor for the NYG. We already have a 2.4 turbo now. We have 4 2.4 turbos in the garages. So we plan to blow some up, obviously. So keep us in mind, guys. Hopefully you subscribe, share the video if you liked it, and we'll catch you on the next one.